So, Samsung and Apple have been fierce rivals in the smartphone camera space, consistently pushing the boundaries of innovation. With the iPhone 16 Pro series raising the bar through its 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 4K 120fps video recording, and more, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra faces immense pressure to surpass these advancements. Rumors indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain its predecessor's quad-camera setup, but introduce new sensors to improve photography and videography. A key highlight is the rumored inclusion of a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a first for Samsung. According to tipster Ice Universe, this camera will feature a 1x2.52-inch ISO cell JN3 sensor with an f1.9 aperture, designed to deliver sharper, brighter images in low light. This could outshine the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which has a narrower f2.2 aperture. The phone is expected to maintain its 200-megapixel primary sensor and telephoto lenses, 10-megapixel with 3x zoom, and 50-megapixel with 5x zoom. However, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is anticipated to enhance image processing, enabling superior photo quality and advanced zoom capabilities. Combined with Samsung's dual telephoto setup, the S25 Ultra could outpace Apple's offerings in overall camera performance. For video recording, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may take a significant leap forward. While 8K recording has been a staple of Samsung flagships, the S25 Ultra is rumored to support 8K 60fps HDR video recording. Additionally, it will reportedly match the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 4K 120fps video recording, allowing users to instantly convert clips into slow-motion footage. Samsung might also expand its Director's View feature, leveraging the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip's ability to simultaneously capture video from multiple cameras. This could enable users to shoot a scene with varying perspectives at once, an advantage over the iPhone, which only supports single-camera recording. Another rumored innovation is the Video Object Eraser, which would let users remove unwanted elements from videos. If executed well, this feature could set the S25 Ultra apart, appealing to content creators and casual users alike. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.